What if I told you there's a platform paying up to $90 an hour for people to help train AI from home? No coding, no degree, no office. And here's the part that surprises most people. Some of the tasks require zero technical background to start. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most under-the-radar opportunities, where anyone, from professionals to stay-at-home parents, can earn money and help shape the future of AI. There is a growing wave of companies building the next generation of AI models. And to do that, they don't just need engineers. They need real humans, real expertise, real judgment. From writing to editing, law and language translation, AI needs people to teach it how professionals think. If you have a skill or deep knowledge in any profession, there is a place for you here. Let's get into it. The platform is Mindrift. It is powered by Toloka, a company that has been in the AI data space since 2014. They have worked with some of the biggest names in the tech industry. This is an established infrastructure with a global community of over 10,000 AI trainers across 50 domains in 15 languages. Let's talk about the money. Rates on Mindrift vary depending on your role and expertise. Most tasks pay anywhere from $15 to $90 per hour. Payments are processed bi-weekly, and you can withdraw through Payoneer or Papara. Keep in mind, this is not a guaranteed source of income. Project availability changes. Some roles open and close quickly. But here is what sets Mindrift apart from most freelance platforms. The more tasks you complete to a good standard, the more work gets unlocked for you. Now, here is something I did not expect when I first looked into this platform. Some projects involve people recording themselves doing everyday chores: cooking, washing dishes, sweeping the floor, and ironing clothes. Why? Because AI companies are building assistive technology that needs to understand how human hands move in the real world. So yes, somewhere out there, someone is getting paid to chop an onion. Getting started is simple. Click the link in the description below. Create your profile, fill in all the required fields, and submit your details. Once verified, you'll gain access to open tasks. Some people do this part-time to make extra income. Others stack multiple tasks and turn it into something more consistent. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI trends and remote opportunities. Until next time, take care, and I will see you in the next one.